Whoa, 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 what you doing, car? God almighty. Piece of What's going on, everybody? It's your boy 5 Foot, and we are on our way to go look at a little something, you know what I mean? But first off, before we get into all that, I want to give a big old shout out to my boss man, one of my closest friends, one of my bestest friends. You know, if not for him, I wouldn't be able to leave work and go do what we about to go do. But we are actually on our way to go look at a 2011 GSXR 1000. Your boy has been looking for a liter bike for quite some time now, and I am so excited, man. We got about an hour left and we'll be there. So I'll go ahead and let you guys know when we get there. So I brought the whole family with me, guys. I got my girl and I got my 2 babies in the back. That boy passed out, man. He ain't worried about a thing. Look at him. So we're about 20 minutes out. And man, like I said, I am so excited. I have been wanting a liter bike for quite some time. For a couple years, actually. Like I said, I started on 600, and ever since then, I've always wanted an upgrade. And it's almost like, you know, being surreal just to be able to come out here and look at something like this. It's just awesome, man. It's awesome. Alright, people. We're coming over the bridge in Panama City, Florida. Anybody who likes beaches, shit like that, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 what you doing, car? God almighty. Piece of Alright guys, almost there. About 10 minutes out. 10 minutes out. Ain't got about hit. Alright, people. I believe we're gonna be right in here somewhere. Go ahead and get in this turn lane. I think we're meeting this guy at a Wells Fargo. There we go. Oh, Wells Fargo.
Your destination is on the left.
I hit this turn lane. I gotta make sure I'm paying attention. Like I said, I got the family with me. You know what I mean? Gotta keep it safe. I don't know if dude's here yet or not, but we about to find out. And now, let's see. Oh, that was a stop sign. I just blew that.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and turn right here. I don't know if old boy's here yet or not. I don't see the bike nowhere. Oh, we'll sit here and wait on him. Let me go ahead and message him and see where he's at. So we have spotted the bike, guys. Come on over here. I don't know if he sees me waving him down or not.
Happy?
Right here, homie. What's up, buddy? See these guys? Woo! Yeah, I texted you. You probably didn't get it.
No.
Yeah, I was assuming you was on it.
Real good.
She's nice, man. Nice.
been good to me.
Yeah.
Because I've been waiting for a while.
Right? Hell yeah. Man, that thing's clean. You said you kept it in the garage?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Even during Hurricane Michael, it was in the garage.
Right?
We had just moved to a new house, so.
I got you. Hell yeah. Ooh, got her loaded up, boy. Yes, sir. Gonna walk to the side. Oh yeah, we got her loaded up. Nice and tight. Oh yeah. Woo, boy, you boys excited. That thing's sexy. All right, guys, we gotta get on the road. Let's do it. Guys, let me tell you, man, this just don't seem real. I just bought me a fucking leader bike, man. Ah, look at that sexy thing back there. Oh yeah. Ah, going up a bridge. Oh, my girl hates this bridge. It's okay, baby. It'll be okay. Just close your eyes. Ah. Big bridge, big bridge. Ah. Buddy. Oh, I can't really pick it up on the camera, y'all, but it's a big bitch. Oh, got Mr. Sexy back there. Oh shit, I can't even stay on the road. Boy back there playing. Huh? Huh? Yeah. You like Daddy's new bike? You like Daddy's new bike? The bike go ying ying? Haha. Yep. Man, so I just cannot stop looking at this sexy thing, man. Alright, so right off the bat, I can go ahead and tell you guys now, the exhaust is gonna definitely have to be changed out. There's nothing wrong with it, but me personally, I just don't like the look. It's too big and too bulky, you know, for my liking anyway. But there's nothing wrong with it. This thing is sexy, man. Woo! Damn! Yep, go ahead and stop in here at old Zaxby's real quick. You know what I mean? Get a little grub. And we're gonna head to the house and unload this sexy thing. Alright, we have made it to the house. Unfortunately, it is now nighttime, so you won't really be able to see the bike. I'm gonna probably come out here in the morning and do a little quick walk around to end the video. But I wanted to come out here, just kind of walk around the bike, you know what I mean? I'm just so excited. I'm ready to ride this motherfucker. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Also, I want to go ahead and show you guys a little something. Go ahead, grab these keys out my pocket. Make sure I grab the right keys. Woo, boy, your boy riding in style. Yeah. Yeah. Damn, that's a sexy bike, y'all. I am so excited. I have wanted this bike for a long time. A long time. Now my girl's got her bike. I got my sexy beast. Now we ready to go out and ride, y'all. No, not really. I gotta go to the DMV. Go ahead and give me a tag. Transfer that title. You know, that way we get this bad boy on the road. Oh, that's where she belongs. Yes, sir. This bitch has a push start thingy. You turn it off with your little button. Ah. Turn it off. Turn it on. Ah. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. Turn it off. Turn it on. Yeah, let's go. Your boy got a 1000. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's about to go down. Yes, sir.